What's going on? Mike here, got another video. YouTube, what's going on? Mike here, back with another one. Alright, so the viewing angle's a little different because I don't have my phone mount. I took it out for some reason, didn't bring it back in, so it's been a little minute. I'm still around, still working, business is doing great. Actually, it's the busy season right now, so I'm pretty sure you guys are probably busy out there as well. Yeah, I actually just been focusing on my other YouTube channel, which I actually have fun doing. It's not that I don't really have fun doing appliance repair stuff that much, but I do it to help people out and, you know, just to share my information and knowledge with people. But yeah, everything's been good. I haven't even been on my Instagram, Mike Check Appliance, like that either. I just, you know, wanted to take a break from appliance repair when I got home. You know, I do it all day. Then I have to come home, got to do my little paperwork. Then that's it. I focus on the things that I want to do and have fun with. I will come back with the other type of videos, running service calls, but honestly, I didn't really see that much people. I mean, I saw a lot of people in the comments, but I didn't get that much views on it to really, people weren't, you know, really checking for it like that. So I just thought that people weren't really checking for it like that, honestly. So, but if you guys want it, you really want it, I'll bring those type of videos back, you know, just to see, you know, just see what I'm doing in my daily routine. It's still 6 to 8 calls a day. Some day, you know, when it was a little slow, I was doing 3 to 5, I would say. But when it's busy, you know, it's busy. But yeah, everything's been good. Right now I'm focusing on my website as far as, so here's a little tip for you guys if you guys are already not doing it, like I said. So I'm probably going to start sending a newsletter out every quarter, just to all my customers who I have their emails, just to send them tips and stuff on, you know, like making sure the lint is clean, not overloading their washer, you know, just little tips and stuff for their appliances, just to keep you know, my name relevant. Actually, my dad gave me this idea, which I thought about, but he really just brought it back up into my mind, so I got to give him credit for it. You know, just wanting to let customers know that you're actually there when you need them, even though you already are, you know, handing out your card. And once you do good work, you know, that's the service right there. But yeah, it's definitely a constant growth thing. Still haven't hired anybody yet, still not looking forward to doing that at the moment. Still doing my thing solo, and it's great. Like I said, that's the best feeling, because one thing about me is that I don't live with stress. I'm very stress-free, like with everything, you know, my life, my personal life, everything is stress-free. So I know when I start to hire somebody, it might not be stressful, but it's going to be more stress than what I have now, just thinking about making sure somebody's doing the proper job, making sure they're trained properly. So when it comes to that point, when I really want my business to become sustainable without me, then I'll get to that. But, you know, it is what it is. But yeah, so hopefully you guys are doing good. I'm still answering questions when people leave comments, you know, as quick as possible. But if you guys know, like I know, sometimes you just don't want to come home after work and watch more stuff about your work, you know? So I get it. I understand that. But for the people that need information and so on and so on, you know, I'm going to start putting those videos out for people like that again, you know? So I took a little break. I seen a couple comments where people like, where you at? You know, stuff like that. Appreciate that. Appreciate you guys looking out. So yeah, I will be back making videos. You know, it's just been a little minute. So that's about it. I'll get back with you guys later. Headed to my first call, which is a fridge making noise, GE fridge making noise. So we'll see how that goes. Yeah, I think, what was it, Friday? Friday, I got 5. I had 7 calls, 5 of them were first call completes. Oh man, those are the best days, when you making sure your truck stock is on point and you know what you need to do for these customers. That's all that matters. You know, do great work, you're gonna get work. So, but anyway, guys, take care. Have a blessed day.